Is this dog food? You think this is funny? You want to see me break? Hey, can you help me?
Шалан дээр ухаангүй хөвтөх хэрэгтэй. Төд удалгүй ухаан орж яг юу болоод байгааг ойлгохыг хичээнэ.
Yo! Is anybody there? Hello? Help!
Хэсэг хугацааны дараа түүний өрөөнд байх компьютерт мэдээлэл ирнэ. Компьютерыг ашиглаж хэн нэгэнтэй холбоо барихыг хичээх боловч компьютер түүнээс бусадтай уулзах уу гэсэн асуултыг л давтан асууна. Сонголтгүй болсон тэр хүсэлтийг зөвшөөрсөн ч өөрчлөгдсөн юм байхгүй байлаа.
All right, hello. Hi, hey, look, what's going on? Did something happen to me? Is this some kind of test? I just need to know how long it's gonna take. I got obligations. I got a dog I gotta take care of. I gotta feed him. I gotta walk him. So, hello.
Юуны магад гэж утсан залуу яаралтай эрэгтэй байгаа зүйлсээ өгөхийг хүсэх боловч түүнээс төлбөр нөхөх болно. Заавал төлбөрөө төлж байж өөрийн авахыг хүссэн зүйлээ авч болох байлаа. Бүх зүйлээс тусгаарлагдсан энэ өрөөнд яаж мөнгө олохоо ойлгож чадсан байх тэр үед өөрийн мэдлэгээ онгоцныхын төлбөр болох 5 оноо түүний хэвтвчэнд орж ирнэ. 5 оноогоо ашиглан ус захиална. Ийхүү хэрхэн оноо цуглуулж болохыг ойлгож авсан тэрээр оноо цуглуулах ажилдаа шамдан орно. Утгагүй санагдах боловч зовж олсон оноогоороо өөрт хэрэгтэй зүйлсээ худалдан авч чадах байлаа. Гин яагаад өөрийг нь энэ газар хорсныг бодох сөхөөгүй зөвхөн амьд үлдэхийн төлөө хичээнгүйлэн оролдох болов?
This what you want? This what you want, huh? Okay, watch. Shit.
Түүний олох оноо хитрхи бага байлаа. Цугларсан оноогоо ашиглаж хамгийн хямд хоолыг захиалах боловч яагаад хямдхан байсан бэ гэдг нь ойлгомжтой байлаа.
Is this dog food? You think this is funny? You want to see me break? Look, I know I earned this somehow, mostly with farts, but I like to think I still got some type of dignity left.
Амьд үлдэх хэсэг нь зөвхөн түүнээс шалтгааллах учраас түүнд сонголт байхгүй. Данч түүний цуглуулсан оноо хитрхи бага учраас хамгийн хямд гэснийг нь авна. Бодит байдалтай эвлэрсэн тэр хичээнгүйлэн оноогоо цуглуулахыг хичээх боловч түүнд шинэлэг санаа байхгүйгээс болж олох оноо нь баг багаар муудах болно.
You're no match for me, jabroni. Your mom's a jabroni. Search my face.
Гэхдээ тэр баг багаар оноогоо цуглуулж
Just running, man. I'm running, man.
өөрт хэрэгтэй зүйлсээ нэг нэгээр худалдан авна.
Whoa, dear. Hang tight, buddy.
Time.
Олон хоног хичээсний үр дүнд чанартай хоол болон шар айраг авч чадна.
Oh my god.
Гэвч хэд тууснасаа болоод тэрв компьютерт уураа гаргаж эхэлнэ. компьютер үүнээс болж оноо нэмэх биш хасах тохиргоонд оруулна.
But you don't like that? You know what? I'm sorry.
Их уснасаа бол биеийг хянаж чадах болсон залуу. Ийхүү уурандаа гаргасан үйлдэл түүний төсөөлөөгүй үр дүн авчирна. Компьютер тэрний байгаа өрөөний цахилгааныг унтраах болно.
Is this on? Hello?
Оноо цуглуулах боломжгүй болсон учраас өлбөрж өгөх нь цаг хугацааны асуудал байлаа.
Let me out. 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 Let me out.
Эцэс сүлд нь ухаарч эхэлсэн.
Sorry. I was wrong for trying to hurt you. I know that now. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for everything that I have. I should have appreciated it then. I know. Now I do. Please just give me one chance to show you that I'm a good person. I'm gonna show you. I'm a good person. I promise. Please. Please.
Яаж ч өршөөл гуйсан компьютер түүнд хариу өгөхгүй байлаа. Ийхүү өөрийн үхэлтэйгээ эвлэн хөвтөх залуу. Тэр үед дахин ачаалж эхлэх компьютер. Гэхдээ түүнийг өршөөсөн зүйл огт биш юм.
Congratulations, man. You get fucked in turnaround? Took me a long time to get my shit going again. Some damage was done with that. I don't know how you're doing. I got this numb spot on the back of my hand right there in the meaty part. I don't know what that's all about. Like stress, malnutrition, something.
Хинээс ч илүү энэ өрөөний тухай мэдих юм шиг харагдах нэгэн эрэгтэй түүний компьютертэй холбогдсон байлаа.
You work for them.
Them. Yeah, sure. I guess so. Same as you.
No, I don't.
Гэвч харамсалтай нь
All right, we'll go with that for now.
түүнийг хорих байтугай өөртөө адилхан хоригдол юм. Энэ нь өөрөөс нь гадна өөр олон хоригдол байж магадгүй гэлтгэн. Өөрийн дугаарыг дуурайлгаж, өөр ямар ч хамаагүй тоо бичиж үзэх бөгөөд
And make sure your heat is low. That's the crucial part. You don't want to overcook it too fast because we're gonna be doing some other stuff.
Can you hear me?
Okay. There we go. Boom. That's cool. And just mix it around real even.
үр дүнд нь өөртөө адилхан олон хоригдол байгааг мэдэж авна.
Shed all this color. We're gonna want to do a little cat, just a little powdery.
What do you do? Oh, I do wonderfully. Has your day been foiled?
Energy of the universe. The left side describes the geometry of space.
Тэдний дундаас эрс ялгарах сэтгэл татам эмгтэйг олж харах бөгөөд хэнэгний хийж буй зүйл таалагдсан бол оноо илгээж болдог болохыг мэдэж авна.
Blow on, in, out, in,
I like a big ass.
out,
There was a girl here.
in.
Didn't even put on much of a show, just went through her day, never with any pants on. And I swear to God, I almost
Starved to death.
Хэнэгнээс илүү онцгой үзүүлбэр үзүүлж байж, бусдаас оноо цуглуулж, амьд үлдэх тоглоом байлаа. Даанч тэрний толгооноос холигтой санаа гарахгүй нь харамсалтай.
That wasn't smart.
Тэр үед түүнийг аварсан эрэгтэй толгойд нэгэн санаа төрөх бөгөөд
Hey, you want to see a magic trick?
Pick a card, any card.
Got it. Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
You sure?
Positive.
All right.
Let's see.
Is it that?
No fucking way.
Teach me.
No.
Why not?
Buy me something to eat first.
Түүнд шинэ үзүүлбэрийн санаа олж гисэн хариуд олсон оноогоо хувааж авах санаа байлаа.
But who put us here?
How will the answer to that, white man ass?
I'm just saying.
Whoever they were, they're us now.
Think about it like this. Ask yourself. Try to be honest.
What itch was being scratched when you paid for this? Did I deserve it because I'm such a good person? Or did I amuse you with my little trick?
Maybe I'm a good person.
And maybe we only like someone.
Care for them, take care of them is not because we're good or they deserve it, but because we like their story. Because they amuse us. Maybe that's it. The secret to life, make them laugh, and death to those that would bore us.
Түүний энэ санаач үнний ортой бөгөөд энэ газар амьд үлдий гэвэл өсөлт төвцгээс өөр илүү шинэлэг санаагаар бусад хүмүүсийн анхаарлыг татах хэрэгтэй. Инхүү өөрөөсөө илүү туршлагатай хүнтэй хамтрахаар болдог.
Hi. Yeah, good morning. Is it morning? It's hard, isn't it, to keep the days from
maybe a little pep so people want to keep watching and not roll over and die.
Hi. Hello. Good morning. It's morning, isn't it? Good morning. Is it morning? It's hard, isn't it? Keep the days from smushing. That sounds stupid. Who says
Words
smushing?
don't matter as much as the idea that people can rely on you. You are the most dependable part of their day. Fuck the words.
Hi.
Hi.
Good. Fuck. Let me go. To help make each day feel special and unique, we'll tackle a new topic together. So today, we're gonna start off with a little workout. Let's get it. 1.
No.
What?
Your frame, left, right, up, down. You need to understand it and define it. What's in and what's out. You're out. Do it again. Stay in. Shuffle them up.
Yeah, that's good.
Tighten it up and open it.
But starting in magic is important to temper your expectations. It's taken me years of diligent practice to reach this level of
You are too good to me. Everything I have, I owe to you.
Don't you forget it. Now let's get into the jumping push-ups. You ready? 1, 2. Oh! Right now they just think I'm an idiot.
A lovable idiot.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Хэсэг хугацааны дараа өөрт хэрэгтэй зүйлсээ захиалж байх үедээ өөр өөрөөний компьютертэй санамсаргүй олгодно.
Hey.
Хинч харсан шинээр орж ирсэн гэдэг нь илт байлаа.
Turn away!
Sure, I'm sorry. I'm turning away. Fuck.
You! Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing what?
You like this?
It's not me.
This is torture. It's cruel.
Look, you're a reward. You're not a reward. If anything, I'm the
You have
reward.
no idea how many times I've thought about what I would say to you.
To me, this is actually kind of hilarious.
Fuck you!
Look, it's not hilarious what's happening to you. It's not funny. It's just that you think I'm them. I'm not. I'm you. See?
Эмэгтэйч бас ямар нөхцөл байгаагаа ойлгоход их хугацаа орсонгүй. Гэхдээ тухайн эмэгтэйд энэс арай өөр үзэл бодолтой байна.
How they punish us tells us what they're scared of, which tells us how to hurt them. If we find a way to hurt them, we can destroy the system.
Man, someone has a strong sense of trauma.
And someone else has a hard time keeping to the point.
My point, which you so condescendingly, offensively, stupidly missed, is that they, right now, in theory and in practice, are us. Okay?
Энэ нь одоо байгаа байдалтайгаа эвлэрэх биш. Энэхүү системийг нураах хүсэлтэй байлаа. Үргэлж биеийн тавгаа харагддаг эрэгтэй гинэт нэг өдөр
Are you okay?
бие хянах чадваргүй болох өгөөд
Is it a cramp? Are you having a stroke?
Do something!
What am I gonna do?
яралтай бусад өрөөний хүмүүсээс тусламж хүсгээр болдог.
Hi, hello, and good morning. Actually, this is really bad. My friend, he helped me a lot early on, and he's hurt. He needs help. So if anyone can do anything, please, his number is 0063958873. And if I start to see help arriving,
Тэр хооронд эмэгтэй залуу тус олчхоор команд өгөх хайна.
Ta-da! Next time I'll do that backwards.
Are you okay?
no. You find anything yet?
No, but I'm thinking there must be some kind of man you buried somewhere. I think I've got something.
Refresh гэх команд өгөнд хариу үйлдэл үзүүлэх компьютер.
So we found an area on the thing that for some reason only she can see. Only she can. We think it's something that can help you, okay? So we're gonna try it, okay?
Okay, here we go.
Гэвч ямар үр дүнг авчрахыг нь тааварлаагүй байлаа. Түүний орсон команд нь
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Again!
шууд утгаараа түүний өрөөг refresh хийж орхино.
Hey, we tried to do a good thing. Look, what happened, that was out of our control. Look, this isn't your fault.
Хамтрагчаа алдсан тэд гуниглан суухын хажуугаар энэхүү системд ямар нэгэн сул тал байгаа гэдгийг ойлгож авна.
I think if humans made this, humans are fuck-ups. What if that was just a fuck-up?
Тэр эмэгтэй системийг удирдах чадсан гэдэг.
Maybe that's our way out. If you could do what you did, what if there's other people in here that could do things that neither of us can do?
But how could we connect to them?
We get everyone who watches me, we get them to focus, we get them to look for flaws, glitches, small weak spots in the system. We get everyone thinking, working together, we get everyone
all in.
Өөр хүн ч гэсэн тэг чадна гэсэн үг юм.
All in.
Тим хүмүүс хамтарч ажиллавал энэхүү системийг нурааж чадахыг үгүйсэх харахгүй байлаа. Энэхүү тэр хоёр энэ газараас орох хүсэлтэй хүмүүсийг хайж эхэлнэ.
Hi, hello. This isn't a very good morning. My friend is dead. No, stop. This is not a joke, it's real.
I'm not real. Just vibrations in light. A trick your mind is playing on you. But you're real. And you should be able to show that love to a real person. In a real way, not through this. You deserve the real world. I think I know a way we can get to it, but I can't do it without you. This system is flawed. Have you noticed? Little glitches here, strange quirks here and there. Maybe things only you can see, only you can do. Maybe you got curious to what it was. Ding, ding, ding. You got distracted. What if we decided to no longer get distracted, but instead we used it as a tool to break this whole system down? Look, if you all start sharing everything you find I'll be watching. Everyone will be watching. And tomorrow I'll come back and I'll share.
Тэр үед гинт залуутай холбогдох түүнийг караш.
Tomorrow I'll be back to share everything I learned. The only way out is if we're all in. Thank you.
Адилхан хоригдож байгаа мөртлөө өөр үзэл бодолтой эмэгтэй.
Hello.
Hi.
You two know each other?
Nah, not. I'm kind of popular.
It sounded a lot like what I talk about. Bringing those who support and nurture your journey into your glow circle. I like to think of it like we're all windows. If you had two windows and one window looked out onto a garden with flowers and sunlight, sparkling color and life, and the other one looked out onto a dull, dead place, which window would you want to look through?
The one that wasn't a metaphor.
Well, I like to reveal the sunshine.
Of course.
It was so nice to meet you both.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah. Go tend yourself.
Тойр утгаар гэсэн ерөнхийдөө энэхүү газар тасан зохицоод өөрийн аз жаргалаа олцгоё гэсэн утгатай зүйл хэлдэг.
That's if it worked.
Хичээнгүйлэн ажилдаа иргэн орох хоёр.
Finally, someone's talking some sense. No more bullshit. The only way out is if we're all in. I'll tear all this shit up.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so if you're all looking for glitches now or whatever,
Hurry up, go to 07-113-1480.
anyone else do this?
Тэдний тооцоолж байснаас энэ системийг удирдах чаддаг хэд хэдэн хүмүүсийг олно.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
We're moving.
Данч залуугийн крашинг үзэл бодол эсрэг хэвээрэл.
Hey, you're still here.
Do you know why everyone loves you?
Glow on.
Because you make people smile. There's unhappiness everywhere, but there could be happiness anywhere too. It's a choice.
Буруу зүйл яриаггүй болохоор баг багаар уусах залуу.
Would you breathe with me?
Sure.
Breathe in and out.
Мөн тэдний энэхүү үйлдэлийг ажиглаж байсан түүний хувьд энэ нэг таалагдахгүй байлаа. Дараагийн өдөрч гэсэн бусад чадвартай хүмүүсийг хайх эмэгтэй.
Hey.
You think you can do this?
How's it looking?
Good. More and more people are in. I've seen a lot more sprinklers. Some people seem to have some control over their ventilation systems.
Oh, wow.
This is the most promising one. Switch to 015675872.
Итгэмээргүй чадвартай хүмүүс болсноос ч илүү олон байх бөгөөд цаашлаад зарим нэг нь
She just moved your wall.
Yeah.
ханыг хөдөлгөж чаддаг байлаа.
It's incredible.
Right. I think there are different rooms, each one with different bugs and glitches. Maybe they're thousands of miles apart, maybe they're right next to each other. But with this as a start, we can orient ourselves and build a map of how we're all connected. And then we can tear it all apart.
Гинэтхэн
You know, some people here, they're happy, just living.
Карашига хэлсэн үгийг санах залуу.
Look, I'm in, you know that. But if I'm being totally honest, I can't say that everything is all bad all the time.
Хэн нэгэн энэ газарт аз жаргалтай байгаа гэсэн үг.
I'm angry at what happened. I am. But we can't just keep feeding people anger.
Түүний яриаг сонсон эмэгтэй эрс шийдэмгийн үйлдэл хийж эхэлнэ.
You think they haven't noticed what we're trying to do here?
They. Her? Come on, you gotta...
How do you think they would try to stop you? Huh? Rush in with clubs to beat you? Torture you?
Залуугийн краш бол
Distraction is more powerful than suppression.
тэдний дунд нуусаар орсон тагнуул мөн гэдэгт бат итгэх эмэгтэй. Ингэж бодох шалтгаан нь өдөр шөнөгүй өөрийнхөө үзэл бодлыг бусдад түгээж энэ газараас орох гэсэн орлогонд нь саад болдогт байлаа.
Remember, it's okay to be here. Right now, exactly where you are. And it's okay to be happy. Right here, right now. Remember, happiness is a choice.
Sleep should be respected.
No matter what anyone else tells you, it's okay to make the choice to prioritize yourself.
We respect sleep by maintaining a set schedule dictated by agreed upon rules.
Rules?
Because we understand we're part of a community.
A community you try to dominate, control, and bully.
We do not bully or dominate anyone.
We? No, I was talking about you. You push him around, treat him like one of your puppets. Trying to disrupt people's lives, telling them to tear apart everything they worked so hard to build.
You're either the most brilliant asshole or a complete fucking idiot.
Hey, come on.
Гэхдээ хоёр эмэгтэйн үйл ойлголцол ямар үр дагаврыг авчрахыг хэн ч төсөөлөөгүй.
Good morning, everyone. I have some exciting developments to share with you. Some of you guys have made some amazing discoveries. But before we begin, I want to get a good sense of how many of you out there are in right now. So when I say go, I want each of you to reward me just once. No more. Go.
Цацалт эхлэв.
All right, that's one of...
Тэдний бодсноос ч илүү олон оноод сууларч эхлэв. Өнөнд нь залуугийн крас сандарч эхлэв.
This is amazing. Do you realize how powerful we are? Like together, there's nothing that we can't do.
So this is what you've been after. Just to steal from everyone.
No, everyone, all of this you give me, I will give it back.
How?
Or at least a way, I'll give it all away.
No, this is not you. This is toxic. You need to stop this right now. Tell them to stop.
We cannot stop. They are among us. This woman is an agent of our captors. She's working to undo everything we hope to accomplish.
What are you talking about? You're being manipulated.
You have them scared. Let them fear you. Keep going. Do not stop.
I'm trying to protect you.
Come on, let's just...
0384918828. Silence number 0384918828.
Come on. Hey, don't do that. Nobody do anything, please.
Silence her.
If you know me, you know I never like to put anything negative out into this world. But when...
Hey, who's doing that? Who's ever doing that? Stop right now.
But when someone tries to blot out our sunshine, we have to decide if we will let the darkness close in or if we will burn brighter than ever. Let 0526-05011 feel the warmth of our life.
This is going too far. Listen. No. No, stop right now. Who's doing it? Stop fucking now. Don't. Fuck. Everyone just stop what you're doing. Please just. Fuck. Everyone just stop what you're doing. Fucking hell, stop.
Эцэст нь тэдний хэрүүл өөрсдийнх нь үхлээр дуусна. Хэсэг хугацааны дараа залуугийн ард удаан гихч нэгдэх хаалга.
Yes.
Эцэст нь залуу тоглоомд явсан болов уу?
Y'all see this? We did it. We did it. We fucking did it. You see, when we come together, there's nothing that we can't do. There's nothing.
Эсвэл хэсэгхэн хугацааны системийн гацалт байв уу? Та бүхэндээ 2023 онд нээлттэй хийсэн Share киноны тухай товчлон хүргэлээ.